lalela ke bhuti wami uthisha omkhulu ubalekile mina ngeke ngasebenza kulesikole uthisha omkhulu ubalekile akekho nala ngapha uhambile waye eplazini lakhe thina into esizini mina ngiyakwazi ngaseplazini lakhe yilapha ecashe khona manje somthola kanjani ngoba lo thisha lo akaqali uthenga abanye abantu bathule mayisebenza yathula ngoba ufunani imali arape ingane abese ekhokhela even nama security yazangitshela awakhokhela bese ke thuleka into lena iye yazivelela nje ngenhlanhla mina kade kwasebenza la
mhlawumbe usenamacala amangako okudlokula
I think it's 4
uyaganga nina besilo
uthanda ukulala
abantwana
abantu uthanda bengizosho ngesizulu
sholo ngezulu uma
hayi angifuni ukuthi akuzothiwa ngithi uyathanda ukulala abantu futhi nje lesimbona ngathi uyavukelwa yabona then athande nokulala nabantu besifazane mina ngiyamaza isho ngiyamaza mina angibafuna abantu abarapha ngoba mina nginengane ena 10 years yayivakashe kamakhelwane kuneto wathi lo bhuti lo ingane amaphenya ingubo kanjena wathi ayiphenye waphinda athi ayiphenye futhi okwesithathu ilapho ke igijimile yezendlini wathi mama ubhuti bani uthi mina mangiveze into ethile so angibafuna abantu abaraphayo njengaye uMr Pretorius
ngabe ukufika kwakho uzohlanganyela lapha.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Principal was a Bergview College bam exposer ngumake laluke wasebenta lapha nakulesiya sikole. Uthi principal vele mkhuba wakhe loku udlengula abantwana labancane uthi nje uyakuthanda vele lokho uthi makangathi uyaqabanga lo make uqabanga ukuthi ma cases okudlengula lana uhlampa ngababo 12 guys. So people dragged lo make lapha kuma social media platforms saying ukuthi why were you quiet all along, why manje ukhulume nyalo. Some even said ukuthi hayi udlala ngathi wena make then why ukhulume nyalo. Some saying ukuthi sobonane bathuneni sobonane because urevile dikaxata principal, but some did say ukuthi thine we believe lo make thine siyamthemba lo make uqinisile vele khona into of ngalo principal. Deakala for principal walapha eBergview College solo siyaqhubeka asikakhohlwa asika give up solo sithi justice for uqweqwe. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I am signing out. Goodbye.